Learn English sentences. This is a horse. This is an elephant. This is a rat. This is a cat. This is a dog. This is a pig. This is a rabbit. This is a cow. This is an ox. This is a donkey. This is a monkey. This is a goat. This is a giraffe. This is a bear. This is a sheep. This is a buffalo. This is a hen. This is a camel. This is a duck. This is a pigeon. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.